Breaker Broke 23. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new Audio Technica ATH-M30X wired headphones. I used to run Sony MDR V6s, but I like them for editing, but I did not like them for music playback. And so when I moved, I donated them, and I never replaced them. So anyway, I saw... this is going to be hard. Come on. I saw a YouTuber in England talk about these, and I know that audio is kind of subjective, and I'm one of those, I have to hear it for myself kind of guys. But I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I'm not really into headphones, but I did need a replacement pair. So Audio Technica has always treated me pretty good with products, so I bought these on Amazon. I'm going to give them a shot. A couple things I didn't like about my Sonys. They didn't have enough low end. Now, I don't like overemphasize low end, but they just didn't have any low end. And they were also uncomfortable after long periods of time. And yeah, wow, these are kind of interesting. They kind of have that Sony MD-V6 profile. I like that. They have a little bit of swivel action there. They're nice and light. Let's see what this cord's like. Okay, that ought to work. It's a nice cord. 1/4-inch jack. 3.5mm stereo. That's interesting. I've never had a setup like this before. I'm kind of old school, so this is new to me. That's interesting. Very nice. Wow. Let's see, which one is right? Let's see, which one is right and which one's left? There's the mark in there. Inside, left, inside. Okay, real quick. Ooh. Well, they're kind of comfortable. Very neat. All right. Let's see what we get with it. In here we have jibber jabber, and then, well, you don't need a manual for headphones really, but comes with all of our warnings. Nice little leatherette travel bag. Do they fit in there? I'm just kind of winging it here. Just want to see if they fit. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break these in. And I'm going to come back and do a review on these. I know this is a really subjective subject here, but what I'm looking for is something a little bit more musical than what I'm used to with those MD-V6s. And I really wish I had the V6s here so I could A/B, but I've got enough playtime on those Sonys that I've pretty much got them down as far as what they sounded like. So hopefully these will be a step up. They're a low impedance, so that means they are pretty efficient. So like the lower impedance, the more efficient they are. The higher impedance, the more power hungry they are. They're not as efficient. And that's okay because I'm not really running through any mixing gear or anything like that, so I don't really need any high impedance headphones. I think these will be just fine. Okay, thanks for watching.